Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to download Steam on your PC. And just to know, it's very easy and simple. Just it will take a little bit time when you're downloading it, maybe when you're installing it. But don't worry about it, it's not complicated. So let me show you how to do it. So first, search in Google Steam like this and open the first link here. And yeah, as you can see, here's the official site of Steam. But if you want to download it, just click here on install Steam, this green button here. And yeah, if you have a Windows, just click on this blue button here. If you have Apple, just click here on this Apple here, but I have Windows, so yeah. And when it's ready, click on the downloaded file, and as you can see, it appears this Windows, and click on next, choose some random language, click on next, install it, wait a few seconds, and that's it. It was easy. Updating Steam, wait a few seconds till it's updating. And actually, yeah, that was it, how to download Steam on your PC. As you saw, it wasn't complicated, it wasn't hard, just a few steps. And yeah, now you can download your favorite games on your PC. And I don't know why it's taking so much time to installing it. I don't know why, but as you can see, it's here, Steam. Wait, and yeah, I have to put my password. Actually, now I have two Steams, but that's not problem. I will delete the one of them. And yeah, if I helped you out, make sure to give it a like. And also, if you have some problems, if you have some questions, comment down below the video in the comments, and I'll try to respond in the next video. And bye.